In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Elevenlabs text-to-speech correctly. This is a fantastic tool when you need to convert written words into spoken language, whether for creating voiceovers, narrating videos, or simply experimenting with different voice tones. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open up Elevenlabs. Once you have it open, look at the sidebar. You'll see a range of options there. Go ahead and click on Text-to-Speech. This will lead you to the main interface you're going to be working with. Now, it's time to choose the voice you want. Elevenlabs provides a variety of voices that can match different styles and tones. Whether you're looking for a formal voice, a casual one, or perhaps something a bit more dramatic, you should find plenty of options to suit your needs. Take a moment to listen to a few samples if you're uncertain about which one to pick. Next, you'll enter your text. This is a good point to be thoughtful about your phrasing and punctuation, as these elements can affect how your speech comes across. Think about the pacing, where you'd place natural breaks, and any emphasis you might want to give specific words. While you're at it, consider adding stage directions or tone hints directly into the text box, for instance. If you want the voice to slow down at a certain part, or adopt a more cheerful tone, you can indicate that in brackets or parentheses. This isn't just about converting text to speech, it's about crafting the delivery to match your vision. Now, you'll have the opportunity to adjust the voice settings. Elevenlabs gives you some control over aspects such as speed and pitch, which can be invaluable in tailoring the output to precisely what you envision. Play around with these settings to get a feel for how they impact the voice. Once everything looks good, click on Generate or Play. This will process your text and produce the audio. Depending on the length and complexity of your text, it might take a few moments, so be patient. Finally, after the processing is complete, you can download the audio directly. This feature makes it convenient to immediately start working with your new audio file, whether you're importing it into a video editor or simply archiving it for later use. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of using Elevenlabs for text-to-speech. With these tools and tips, you should be able to create engaging and effective spoken content with ease. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you experiment with the settings and styles, the better you'll get at capturing just the right tone. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.